I'm Anil Kumar. Here is an application question, question 12, page 409, on review of trigonometric ratios. The question is, determine the altitude of the balloon from the given figure. So we have a balloon whose angle of elevation is given from 2 points, 57 from one station, 83 degrees from the other station, and these two stations are 15 kilometers apart. We need to find altitude of the balloon from the given figure. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now when we say altitude, that means it is the shortest distance from the balloon to the ground, right? So that is how we can get the shortest distance. So it will be perpendicular, right? From the balloon, let us say B, and points into consideration for us will be, let us say these are the two stations A and B, okay? Let me write B here, and the altitude actually drops. Let's say balloon, let's say this is T and O. Now we need to find height h or the altitude of the balloon. How are you going to find it? Well, we can use the tan ratios to find it, right? So what is tan of 57? Now let us also say that the distance between B to O is x, which we don't know, okay? X is that distance. So the total distance between A to the foot of the perpendicular from the balloon will be 15 plus x, okay? So let's use the tan ratios. So first one is tan of 57 degrees is equals to T, this height h over TO, right? So we can write as height over 15 plus x. And then tan of 83 will be height over x, right? Where x is the distance from foot of the perpendicular from the balloon to B, the station B. It is also assumed that all these three things are in a straight line. Okay, now from here, let us say this is my equation 1, that is my equation 2. If I divide equation 1 by 2, what do I get? I get tan of 57 degrees divided by tan of 83 degrees is equals to h and h will cancel. In the denominator we'll have 15 plus x, in the numerator we'll have x, right? So we are doing this divided by this, so that flips, correct? So we have this as equals to x over 15 plus x. So that is what we get when we divide tan of 57 by tan of 83. Now let us use calculator, find this ratio. So what is tan 57 divided by tan 83 equals to? So it's a very big decimal number. So it is 0.18907. Okay, so that is this ratio. Now what we can do is we can actually cross multiply and then solve. So I'll prefer to write this equation now as 15 plus x equals to x divided by this ratio, so that we don't land into fractions. Do you see that point, right? Okay, so let's divide 1 over this, so we'll get that x value, right? So we'll do 1 divided by answer, which is equal to 5.289. okay, so those many x, do you see that? X divided by that number. So we can take x on this side, so we get 15 equals to 5.289x minus 1 x, okay, so which is 4.289 x, right? So from here we can find what x is. So from here we know x is 15 divided by all this, 4.289. 15 divided by 4.289 equals to 3.49. So we get 3.49 as the value of x. So we know x, that is this distance. We need to find height. So how are you going to find height? So height, we can use second equation. So we know height is equals to x times tan of 83. So that is equals to 3.49, which is the value of x, times tan of 83, correct? So let's do that. So we have 3.49 times tan 83 equals to 28.4. 28.4. So that is very close to option A. So that is how you could do, right? Better could be if you could do tan 83 divided by tan 57, right? In that case, we don't land up in fractions. We straight away get to this step. So that helps, okay? But in any case, that is how you can solve it. I hope that helps. Thank you.